Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Welcome to Cars and Joshy. Hope everybody had a happy holiday and a happy new year, upcoming new year. Today, I'm going to be working on getting my steering column put back in the El Camino and getting it ready to get the steering wheel back from the custom shop. Got a few different things here that I wanted to show. The first is going to be my steering intermediate shaft. I'm using a shaft from an Astro van, so it's got the same threads on here. It goes into the output shaft on the steering gearbox, and then this side's going to go into the steering column. So I got to put the steering column in first before I can get this in there. Well, I don't have to. I can hook this up to the output shaft on the box. And then I did get some factory power steering lines just to kind of look and see, the difference between where factory power steering pump is versus the new setup. And this, I don't think any way that I twist or rotate this is actually going to work. It's just way too long. You can see, I got about 4 inches between the pressure side and the back of the pump. So not very much there. And then from the return to right here, that's not far at all. This is the pressure hose, and it's super long. So if I did like that, I'd have to come up with some crazy way to route it back around to go up under there, which might be worth a shot. I don't know. But I might look at that later. I'm going to worry about getting the steering column in here today. So I also picked up a new gasket that goes between the steering column and the firewall on the inside. So I'll just put that up there. I'm not going to leave all this stuff on there. I'm just installing it so that I can have the El Camino towed to a fab shop. So I'll eventually be taking it off and painting the steering column a different color, but I need to get this fab work done, so I'm going to throw the steering column back on here so I can have it towed. Looks like these tabs right here are meant to be folded over onto the gasket. I could probably get a screwdriver and lift those up. Yep. Looks like there's 4 of them. Alright, not making it perfect. I just want to get it halfway decent, because you can see this column is still maroon, and I'm not doing maroon interior when I go back together with it. I just want to get it in. Looks like this gasket actually has little slits in it for these little tangs that come out. They help line the holes up pretty good, so spin them over with my hands. Take this over there to the truck and see about lining it up. I think got 3 of them that are bolts and one that's kind of a stud, so figure out what size these are. 10mm. Sorry about the noise. They're doing construction and they got the dump truck over there getting all the scrap. You can see those 4 bolts, 2 in the bottom, 2 at the top, kinda. So, and then looks like it come through the firewall just fine. All right, let's see if I can get this Chevy Astro intermediate shaft hooked up. Collapse it. I believe that's it. Alright, so there's the steering column with the Astro van intermediate shaft, which looks like probably going to have a problem right there with the spark plug wire rubbing up against it, but maybe I can do something, zip tie it somewhere. This isn't going to be here, I'll figure it out. But I guess I'm gonna move on to see if I can take this fitting out. Maybe get that hose in here. Well, there you have it, folks. Stock El Camino pressure and return lines can work with the setup here that I got with the dirty Dingo high mount power steering, but I will probably just have it on there long enough to take it somewhere to get custom lines made, because this looks too close for comfort on the belt. It's not touching. I mean, it's not touching, but it's way too close for comfort. And all of this garbage here, I don't know if I would even be able to get this on there if the fenders were on here, so probably not gonna work. But like I said, I'm just gonna leave it on there until I can take it somewhere and get custom lines made. So power steering lines are on, Astro van intermediate shaft, and steering column is in there. So as soon as I get my steering wheel back, I'll be putting that back on, and then I'll tow this to the fab shop. That's all I have for tonight. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.